to discuss today. I'm going to discuss about introduction to ethics. So let's begin with definition of ethics is defined in various ways. Take in first definition as ethics studies the norms are standards of right and wrong used to judge actions. Norms or standards are also called as criteria or principles. Here you can also mention about right, and these two are moral judgment evaluate on the actions. Person done the action or even whatever he or she done in their life also follows some norms and standards. It is based on the first definition. Vary from different situation. Like situations is not in a situational behavior is also not the same. We can study in public administration sometime, but here you should know about ethics is defined in the sense of right and wrong. Okay, used to judge actions. Okay, based on norms or standards. Here the first definition is norms or standards of right and wrong used to judge action. You can also give examples, like simple example here they mentioned y his y is a neighbor of x, okay, has forgetfully left his purse behind. So what x done? X is strongly tempted to pocket the purse and the money, but he resists the temptation. But why? He can take the money, but why he did not take it? Due to moral judgment. What is meant by moral judgment? The moral judgment alone. It's a wrong doing. He know it very well. That's why he leave it and he taken the purse and given to X. Okay, so itself you can study the definition simply like ethics studies the norms or standards of right and wrong used to judge actions. First definition is over. Next, you can write about this ethics is study of moral problems which men, whatever moral problems we are facing, if you are studying moral problems, that is called ethics. Third important definition. Okay, in this view you can write about conduct viewed as right, good or bad. Conduct in ethics means moral conduct or moral life. Elaborate it is like the idea behind the ethics is our moral judgment. Here, if you view from the conduct, it is right or wrong, good or bad. This judgment, first form, it's based on individual acts or events. Simply based on individual or particular action of a particular person. Okay, individual action or a particular person. Second, you can write about it in form, right? That is for human as a whole. It's not about particular action. It is standards or norms. Okay. Maybe human motives or ends and actions. Okay. and it's primarily concerned with these standards that regulate judgments of right or wrong. In this third, should know about it. One point, conduct. That conduct is a moral conduct. And take the moral conduct in some judgment point in judgments. One is based on particular or individual. Second, it's not about particular action, it is about standards and norms. Okay, certain standards and norms should be followed. Judge action is right or wrong. Whether it is right or based on the moral judgment, that is called ethics. Simple? Yeah. In this ethics is a study of the norms. Study the norms or standards are wrong used to judge action of a particular person or individual person actions. Some standards or norms to be studied about the human motives, ends and actions, and to regulate our judgment of right or wrong. Simple. Thank you.